Hello everyone, my name is Stanley Ugagbe and welcome to today's commentary on what is happening in the Nigerian political terrain. And on today's edition, I want to take you all the way to the southeast where there was a blockbuster development in the corridors of power. President Tinubu, special advisor on information and strategy, Onanuga, in a statement released just yesterday, said that the Minister of Works, Dave Umahi, who was also a former governor of Onanuga State, has come out to say that they are planning a summit which is going to be perhaps the first of its kind. And guess what? The summit is not on how to tackle the growing poverty ravaging the nation. The summit is not on how to tackle insecurity that has collapsed the system. The summit is not on how to foster good governance. And also, the summit is not on how to tackle hardship. But guess what? The summit is on how to bring the leaders of the Southeast together to endorse President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his second term in 2027. I tell that again. The summit is on how to bring the leaders of Southeast together to endorse President Tinubu for his second term. Perhaps your guess is as good as mine that what exactly is going on. I mean, this is just 2025 and the man is already scheming, not just him though, but every other typical Nigerian politician scheming on how to win election in 2027. And people are asking, what exactly is going on? And like some people will say in our funny language, who do us? Now, Umahi, in his summation or in his analysis, said that, the issue of marginalization, which has been prevalent in the Southeast, is gradually becoming a thing of the past. And that is why they are planning that summit to endorse a president to continue his good works. And people are asking, what good works exactly is he talking about? Because as far as the Nigerians are concerned today, the Nigerian people have been marginalized by the politicians. Today, poverty has become the order of the day. Today, hardship has become the order of the day. Today, our roads, our farms are no longer motorable. The farms have become deserted just because they are no longer safe for our farmers to do their works. And Umahi is there, rather concerned about endorsing a president who has not delivered the dividends of democracy to the people. And just because, and just in case he has forgotten, the statistics from the World Bank are there that Nigeria currently houses the most people who are extremely poor. And according to that data, 106 million Nigerians are living in extreme poverty at the moment. And Umahi is rather concerned about endorsing a president who has not delivered the dividends of democracy. The data from UNICEF have said that Nigeria currently is second as far as children living who are malnourished are concerned, and first in Africa. And Umahi is rather concerned about endorsing a president who is probably his paymaster. And the people are wondering that what exactly is going on. How is it that less than 2 years into office, instead of focusing on good governance, instead of focusing on delivering dividends of democracy, these people are rather interested in really now repugnant, insalubrious, egregious policies, development that are of no relevance to the Nigerian people. And if you go to social media, the whole place is buzzing. They are telling the man Umahi, you only have one vote. The ministers have just one vote. Even the governors who, in case they decide to pitch tent with the president, have just one vote each. The Nigerian people will decide. So it is not on you to tell us whom we are going to vote for as long as 2027 is concerned. So the message to him is making round all over the social media, and that now is not the time to begin to force people to endorse a man who they see or who they view have not done well. And you know the funny part to all of this, Umahi even extended his invitation to Peter Obi, I quote him, say he must be part of that summit so that we can endorse the president. And you ask yourself, when has it become mandatory to force people or to endorse a president whom has not done well? Nigerians, look at the people you elected into office. See you next week.